लिया था चाचा
Hello everyone, Andarki Namaskaram. Welcome back to Mugdha Art Studio. So this is actress Preeti Singh Rajput back again with beautiful Kanchi Pattu collections andi. So you can see me, I'm wearing a beautiful parrot green color Kanchi Pattu. And we have this beautiful jal design andi, lopala fillings icharu, peacock fillings, very small fillings andi. And we have a violet color border. And we have these cross lines motifs, golden zari work low, and we have peacock motifs on the border. And the price for this sari is 16,600. So let me show you the saris which are on display now. So this is our next sari in beautiful green color andi, and we have these beautiful flower motifs. So creeper formed of flower motifs icharu, silver zari work. And we have pink color border, and we have peacock motif. So the price for this sari is 17,800. So here goes our next sari in beautiful peach color andi, and you can see the golden zari work here. So we have flower motifs. And we have a beautiful border which is in blue color, and we have a big border andi, and we have this beautiful golden zari work lo peacock motifs, mango motifs, and rudraksh motifs icharu. And the price for this sari is 15,800. So this goes our next sari, cream and red color combination. This is a very traditional sari andi for wedding. These are all wedding collections andi, and you can see the beautiful jal design. Cross check motifs icharu, golden zari work lo lopalo chesi fillings icharu, and we have a beautiful contrast red color border. We have this peacock motifs on it, and the price for this sari is 17,800. So this is our next sari in beautiful violet color andi, and this is the beautiful creeper motifs, floral motifs, golden zari work lo icharu, and we have diamond motifs on the pallu, crisscross motifs, golden zari work on the border, and flower motifs on the border. And the price for this sari is 18,500. So we have beautiful Kanchipattu collections andi, very elegant, beautiful color combinations. So let me quickly start. So this is our next sari in beautiful cream color andi, and we have these flower motifs, creeper motifs andi, and we have a red color border, big border. We have peacock motifs on it and diamond motifs on it with pure golden zari work andi. So these are all pure Kanchipattu collection, and this is the pallu. We have this beautiful pallu, cross checks icharu, golden zari work lo, and flower motifs icharu, and this is the blouse. Contrast red color blouse with a big border, and the price for this sari is 8,999. 8,099 is the price. So here goes our next sari in beautiful green color. So we have floral motifs and mango motifs made of golden zari work, and small diamond motifs also made of golden zari work andi. So these are all pure zari. And we have a violet color contrast border, small border on both the sides andi. We have bango motifs, circle motifs, and khaddi border, golden zari work lo. And this is the pallu. So we have this beautiful golden zari work on the pallu, and blouse vachesi dark navy blue color lo icharu, and small border on it with golden zari work. And the price for this sari is 11,800. The next sari chuddam. Wow, this is a very beautiful red color sari andi. We have this jal design icharu, lopal vachesi fillings icharu. So these are all pure golden zari work. Very beautiful design and traditional color, red color. And we have this beautiful cross line motifs and leaf icharu. Leaf lopala we have this beautiful peacock filling andi. So these are all pure golden zari work, and your magenta color border. So khaddi border lo we have this beautiful flower motif on a creeper form, and this is the pallu. Very beautiful golden zari work on the pallu, and this is the blouse. Contrast blouse icharanడి, and the price for this sari is 10,800. So this is our next one. This is a magenta pink color sari andi. Jal motifs icharu, jal lopala fillings icharu. And the border part we have this mango motifs in golden zari work and green color mango motifs icharu, and yellow color small border khaddi border on both the sides. And pallu is like this. We have cross checks golden zari work pallulo, and the price and the blouse. This is the blouse, yellow color lo icharu with khaddi border, small border, and the price for this saree is 13,320. The next one is in beautiful green color andi. Wow, we have these beautiful flower motifs and you can see the beautiful flowers here with golden zari and red color border. So see, we have these peacock motifs on the border. We have these diamond motifs, golden zari work locharu, and we also have silver zari work inside these boxes. Very beautiful design andi. And this is the pallu. And the blouse is like this, red color low, contrast blouse icharu with a big border. And the price for this saree is 18,500. So this is again a beautiful light cream color andi. Flower motifs icharu, golden zari work low. So these are like a creeper form. From there till here we have the creepers, beautiful golden zari work. And a pink color border, contrast border. Very traditional color. So border lo chesi we have these beautiful flower motifs and khaddi border this side, golden zari work, pure golden zari work. And this is the pallu. And this is the blouse, contrast pink color blouse with a big border. And the price for this saree is 7,400. So these are of really affordable prices and we have all single pieces. So please do not miss it. Quickly take a screenshot of your favorite saree before anybody else picks your favorite saree and send it to us on this WhatsApp number. And our sales team will assist you for processing the orders further. And these are the Google Pay numbers so that you can make the payment online. Since it's an online order only, you have to make the payment online. And we have mentioned all the important information, to please take a screenshot of this one and keep it handy. And we are not just shipping all over India, we are shipping globally as well. So anybody from anywhere can order from Mugdha. Next saree is in beautiful peacock blue color, and ikkada manaki silver color zari work lo leaf motifs ichcharandi. So very beautiful design, very pretty combination. Blue lo manaki silver zari work icharu, and look at the border. We have a very big border here. We have beautiful flower motifs, leaves, peacock motifs and diamond motifs here and khaddi border here. And inside this also we have this beautiful Rudraksh motifs and peacock motif fillets. And this is the pallu. We have this cross checks motifs on the pallu part, and this is the blouse. And the price for this saree is 16,000 andi. 16,000 is the price. Here goes our next saree in beautiful pink color, and we have all golden zari work andi all over the saree. Golden zari work lo flower motifs icharu. We also have a outline of violet color outline on the flowers andi, and this side we have a very beautiful border. It's a black color border. For pink we have a black color contrast border. So we have diamond motifs here, peacock motifs here, golden zari work. And this is the pallu. And this is the blouse. We have a brocade blouse with big border. And the price for this saree is 18,500. So next saree is in beautiful peach color with green color border. So this side we have a small border. All over the saree we have beautiful leaf motifs with golden zari work and a green color border. So we have this golden zari work here as well. We have peacock motifs here and cross line motifs here with golden zari work on the border. And this is the pallu We have a beautiful pallu and the blouse is like this. And the price for this saree is 16,600. So next saree chuddam. This is a beautiful sky blue color. Darker shade of sky blue color andi. Jal design icharu golden zari work lo. So these are all peacock motifs as well. Wow, very beautiful design. And we have a pink color border, very big border. We have peacock motifs here, diamond motifs here, golden zari work low. So blue and pink is also a very beautiful and unique combination. And pallu is like this. Wow, we have a very beautiful pallu. And the blouse is pink color blouse with a big border. And the price for this saree is 18,500. So let's move on to the next one. So this is a beautiful red color saree. We have this golden zari work with beautiful flower motifs all over the saree. And each side small border icharu with diamond motifs, and in this side they've given a big border andi. We have peacock motifs and diamond motifs on it. And green color finishing on the border. And this is the pallu. We have a very beautiful pallu andi. You can see mango motifs and flower motifs on it. And the blouse is like this. We have a double shaded blouse andi, green and pink shade ostundi. It's a green blouse with big border. And the price for this saree is 10,500. Next saree is in beautiful yellow color. Jal design icharu. So we have these beautiful leaf motifs and flower motifs andi. Golden zari work lo icharu. And a very small border this side. Red color border with diamond motifs on it. Pure golden zari work. And this side we have a very big border. We have diamond motifs, cross line motifs and cross square, and inside we have this beautiful peacock motif. So very beautiful color, very traditional color and these are very traditional sarees. And this is the pallu. And the blouse, we have this red color brocade blouse with a big border. And the price for this saree is 14,500. Here goes our next saree in beautiful blue color. So this is a royal blue color saree. And jal design icharu inside that, which is of leaf actually. A beautiful leaf motif, silver zari work icharandi. Very beautiful saree. And a magenta pink color border. Golden zari work icharu. So cross lines motifs along with peacocks. So golden and silver zari, both the zaris have been used on the border already. And this is the pallu part. We have a beautiful pink color pallu with silver zari work on it. And blouse, we have a pink color blouse. Golden and silver, both the zaris have been used on the border of this blouse again. And the price for this saree is 15,000. The next one is a beautiful hot pink color saree. And we have leaf motifs with golden zari work all over the saree. And you have a copper zari on the border here. So border lo vachesi copper zari icharu and silver zari lo peacocks icharu. Cross line motifs, rudraksh motifs and peacock motifs on the border. And this is the pallu. Wow, we have a beautiful pallu, green color pallu and a green color blouse. Contrast green color brocade blouse icharanడి with a beautiful border. So golden and copper zari and silver zari icharu. And the price for this saree is 15,000. So this goes our next saree in beautiful green andi. And we have leaf motif silver zari work all over the saree. And a pink color border, and this side we have a very big border. You can see the beautiful design here. We have peacock motifs, big peacocks, flower motifs, resham work kuda icharu, cross line motifs here and mango motifs here andi. And this is the pallu. Beautiful pink color work icharu pallulo, and blouse is like this. Pink color brocade blouse with a big border. And the price for this saree is 15,800. Here goes the next saree in beautiful sky blue color, so darker shade of sky blue color. So jal design icharu, local fillings icharu, leaf motifs and circle motifs. And a self border, same blue color border lo crisscross motifs icharu, and circle motifs icharu, and peacock motifs icharu. So these are all silver zari work andi on this blue color kanchi pattu saree, and this is the pallu part. And we have a contrast red color blouse for this. So blue and red is a very beautiful combination always. So we have golden zari work for the border. And the price for this saree is 12,800. So the next saree, this is a beautiful magenta color saree, and we have golden zari work here and resham work kuda icharu. We have beautiful resham work outline on the golden zari work flower motifs, and two small borders on both the sides. So we have cross line motifs here and flower motifs here made of golden zari work andi. Very beautiful saree and beautiful color. And this is the pallu. And blouse is like this. It's a brocade pink color blouse with a small border. And the price for this saree is 19,500. So here goes our next saree in beautiful grey color. So grey color lo silver zari work lo manaki flower motifs iccharandi. So all over the saree we have these flower motifs, and we have a mauve color border, big border andi. We have leaf motifs, crisscross motifs here, and zigzag motifs here, and resham work lo we have this flower motifs on it. Very beautiful design and very beautiful uncommon color. And this is the pallu. And the blouse is like this, brocade blouse only with a big border. And the price for this saree is 16,999. So meeku ఏ saree నచ్చుతుందో quickly take a screenshot andi and send it to us on this WhatsApp number, and our sales team will be there to assist you happily for processing your orders. And these are the Google Pay numbers so that you can make the payment online. And we are making international shipping as well. We just not only ship in India. So the next saree, this is a beautiful red color kanchi pattu andi. Such a lovely design. So ఇక్కడ ఫ్లవర్ మోటివ్స్ ఇచ్చారు, జాల్ లోపల ఇచ్చారు, గోల్డెన్ జరీ వర్క్ ఇచ్చారు. And two small borders on both the sides. We have mango motifs and crisscross motifs. Cross line motifs icharu, and this is the pallu. Very beautiful. And this is the blouse. We have these beautiful heart shaped motifs and the small border on it. And the price for this saree is 18,500. The next saree is in beautiful green color, parrot green color, and look at the beautiful shine of the saree here. We have these beautiful jal design icharu, jal lopala leaf fillings icharandi. Golden, pure golden zari work icharu. And we have a small border this side with diamond motifs, golden zari work on it. And here we have silver zari work with flower motifs. Floral motifs icharu silver lo, and diamond motifs icharu golden zari lo. Combination of both the zaris have been used on the border andi. And this is the pallu. It's a very beautiful pallu andi. You have flower motifs and leaf motifs on it. And the blouse, we have a brocade blouse. So this is the blouse with a border. And the price for this sari is 21,000. So the next one is beautiful blue color, royal blue color. Cross checks motifs iccharandi and lopala circle fillings icharu. So these are pure golden zari work. And this side we have this beautiful big circle motifs here. Lopala fillings icharu, which is sleeves motifs. Very beautiful design andi. And the pink color border. We have golden zari work on the border. Small borders on both the sides. And pallu is like this. And blouse vachesi. Okay, they've given us a plain blouse and a pink color self blouse with a border. And coming to the price of this sari, it is 22,000. The next one is beautiful green color andi, mehndi green color sari. Silver zari work icharu, leaf motifs icharu, and small leaf motifs kuda icharu. So we have medium sized leaves and very small tiny leaf motifs on it. Beautiful silver zari work. And we have a small border. Ikkada cross line motifs icharu, golden zari work lo. And ikkada diamond motifs icharu, flower motifs icharu, cross line motifs icharu. Golden and silver, both the zaris have been used here. We have beautiful golden zari work all over the sari andi, and this is the pallu. So pallu part vachesi manaki silver zari icharu, mango motifs icharu. And we have a plain blouse with beautiful border. Sky blue color blouse icharu, contrast blouse. And the price for this sari is 19,999. Here goes our next sari in beautiful orange color. We have leaf motifs and all over the sari here. So manaki ikkada resham work lo leaf outline icharu and lopala fillings vachesi golden zari lo icharu. And you have a hot pink color border. So cross line motifs here and zigzag motifs here with resham work. And this is the pallu. We have beautiful pallu here. And blouse vachesi brocade blouse icharu like this. And the price for this sari 19,500. Next sari chuddam. It's a beautiful magenta pink color sari andi. Jal design icharu, golden zari work lo, jal lopala leaf fillings icharu. Tree motifs icharu. And you have a violet color border this side, and this side you have a very big border. So ikkada we have silver zari work, violet resham work, green zari work, copper zari kuda iccharandi. So 3 zaris. And this is the pallu. And the blouse is like this. Plain blouse icharu with a big border. And the price for this sari is 15,800. So the next and the last sari from Kanchipattu collection. The sky blue color sari andi. And we have silver zari work here all over the sari. Beautiful jal design icharu, jal lopala peacock fillings icharu, silver zari lo. And we have a pink color border, very big border. So we have this beautiful mango motifs, cross line motifs here, and again flower motifs here. And this is the pallu. And the blouse is like this. With beautiful big border. And the price for this sari is 18,500. So we have all single pieces for all these beautiful Kanchipattu saris. So quickly take a screenshot and send it to us before anybody else grabs your favorite sari. And our sales team will assist you further for processing your orders. And these are the Google Pay numbers only, so that you can make the payment online. So ఇది కూడా హ్యాండీగా పెట్టుకోండి, స్క్రీన్షాట్ తీసుకొని, so that it will be helpful for you to place the order. And we are not just shipping all over India, we are shipping internationally as well. So that's all for now from Preeti Singh Rajput here, from beautiful Kanchipattu collections. I just love all these saris. Hope you all love them too. So quickly order before anybody else picks your favorite sari. So that's all from now. Preeti Singh Rajput signing off as of now. I will soon get back to you with some more beautiful and exclusive collections from Mugdha. Till then, take care, stay safe, bye bye.